the problem that I was trying to solve with this script here is that we have some servers that reboot on a weekly basis. So pretty much every night of the week, there's some set of servers that's rebooting, and we were running into a problem where the servers wouldn't always come back up. So problem that would cause is so the servers wouldn't always come back up, and so these are Citrix servers. So we have more than one, which isn't really a big deal. But the fact that one server didn't come up, then we get alerts and all of that stuff, and people start to panic. But anyway, so what we needed to do is we wanted to say, okay, if a server did not come back up, find that server and essentially just power the server on. When you power the server on, send an email saying that, hey, this server was powered on. If there was no work done or no server need to be powered on, just write that information to a text file just so that we know that the script ran. So I'll just go through this real quick then. So here I'm just building a table that's going to show the output of what's going to be in the email that I received. These are Citrix servers, so we're going to contact the delivery controller. We're going to find out if the machine is in maintenance mode. Essentially, maintenance mode is just saying that if it's in maintenance mode, it's not accessible to the end users, but it's accessible to admins. So if machine is not in maintenance mode and the power state is off, and they're tagged as in their production machine, go ahead and, well, I'm selecting a few other things here because these are the things that I'm going to get in the email. But if the machine fits those conditions, so there are no machines that's powered off and they're not in maintenance mode, then just send that out to a file because there's no work to do. But we just want to, again, make sure that the script runs. Otherwise, go ahead, run a for-each loop, and for each one of those machines that's off, go ahead and turn that machine on. And when you turn that machine on, just write that out to a file with the date and time with the list of machines that got turned on. After all of that is done, then just essentially just send an email only if the machine was powered on. So so no machines that was powered on. You see the date and time. This says no machines are issued a power on command. You have the date and time. This is set to run we have it set up as a scheduled task, so it runs every hour. If there was a machine that was powered on, again, have the date and time, and we just say powering on the machine. Now, when this runs, we also get an email, so I just copied an email what we get. So it says, hey, the machine was sent the power on instructions, and then this is the table, and this has the machine name, the state that it was in, and just confirming that it wasn't in maintenance mode to make sure it's doing the right thing. And then the catalog, just the group of machines that was powered on. That's essentially it.
Nice. Great. I like your output file that you had there with the date timestamp. I noticed that you had, right there, that you had ISO 8601. You went, 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, so it's going to sort real nice too, just by default.
Yeah.